It is a pleasure to be able to introduce SAE Industry Technologies Consortia. Hello, my name is Mike McNair, and I will be walking you through this overview. The SAE Group is comprised of several organizations or affiliates. SAE International Standards Committees operate in accordance with international requirements for standards development organizations, or SDOs, in terms of participation, balance, and voting. In addition to its standards committees, SAE International also provides professional development, event, media, and education services. PRI, or the Performance Review Institute, is best known for its NADCAP program, which specializes in oversight and on-site auditing of special processes and associated tools, databases, training, and registries. PRI also includes PRI Registrar, training and qualification, and qualified products listings. SAE Industry Technologies Consortia is made up of independent, industry-managed consortium programs. Member organizations determine the scope, which can include pre-standard support for standards, or serve as a means of implementation for recommended practices and requirements as defined by standards. SAE Industry Technologies Consortia provides a neutral, legal framework for industry entities, public, private, government, and academic, to convene and solve key technical challenges and create new market opportunities, locally and globally, on a pre-competitive basis. SAE ITC enables collaborative innovation and trusted implementation. It is a not-for-profit organization, SAE ITC being qualified as a 501c6 organization. SAE ITC consortia and programs are unique communities created for leaders of industry organizations to explore and drive important initiatives that will positively impact their respective industries. SAE ITC offers a full suite of strategic and operational resources for consortia and other technical groups to quickly organize around key industry challenges and opportunities. By leveraging SAE ITC's infrastructure, experienced staff, and access to the SAE Group's wider relationships, new or existing collaborative entities can speed technology adoption and cost-effectively accelerate changes related to their specific objectives. Most importantly, our pre-competitive organizational structure allows members to collaboratively advance technology initiatives much faster than working independently. The demand for SAE ITC services is driven by several converging factors. Technical standards are becoming more complex as products connect to the Internet of Things. Performance information in the form of big data is a direct product of this connectivity and will require analysis to discover best practices and better solutions. Automation and AI are propelling companies into new and uncharted engineering territories. A growing number of overlapping regulatory bodies from around the world require greater cooperation to serve interoperability challenges. In this rapidly changing world, SAE ITC is a unique organization dedicated to the SAE Group's overarching mission to innovate performance while holding safety as an absolute imperative. Our approach is accomplished through what we call our 4 C's: contacts, context, content, and capabilities. Contacts is our connectivity to global mobility and other engineering and technical industry experts. Context, it's understanding the challenges, complexity, and opportunities of the integrated product lifecycle. Content, the standards, principles, and best practices, software, registries, and other types of associated digital and technical data. Capabilities, the convening of forums, events, production of standards and technical data, certifications, qualifications, and technical assessments. While this presentation provides an overview of SAE ITC, I would recommend going to our website at www.sae-itc.org. Here we have descriptions and links to all of our program and consortia, including the services we offer. We recently added our information center that provides useful and timely links to events and happenings shaping our industries. From here, we will drill down a little into each of our sectors. SAE ITC is divided up into 3 different sectors: aerospace, land-based, and multi-sector. At this level, the aerospace and land-based sectors provide the obvious transportation system focus, and multi-sector captures enabling topics that provide benefit to both. The safe, reliable operation and trusted implementation of industry's creative innovations in advanced materials, avionics, and systems communications, mobility, and manufacturing technologies, and the associated digital data management methodologies all benefit from SAE ITC's pre-competitive, neutral industry forums and the infrastructure created to support them. SAE ITC aerospace sector includes a number of specific programs. Probably the most notable is ARINC. ARINC Industry Activities focuses on aerospace with current emphasis on avionics, cabin systems, maintenance, and flight simulation and training. It is comprised of 3 committees. AEEC, or Airlines Electronic Engineering Committee, has a focus on engineering and technical standards and solutions that increase efficiency and reduce lifecycle costs. This includes non-competitive relationships with other bodies such as RTCA, EuroK, and ICAO. AMC, or Aviation Maintenance Conference, has a focus on increasing the reliability and maintainability, leading to reduced operating costs in aircraft components and electronic systems. FSEMC, or Flight Simulator Engineering and Maintenance Committee, focuses on cost-effective solutions to simulator operational and maintenance issues. The Aerospace Engine Supplier Quality Strategy Group, or AESQ, focuses on the engine supply chain to simplify supplier requirements, promote standardized training, and increase process efficiency. ASPQP, or the Aerospace Standards Part Qualification Program, focuses on authenticating and registering aerospace components, for example in engines and airframes. Aggregated data is then made available for benefit to the airline industry. SAE ITC land-based sector, likewise, is composed of several consortia. AVSC, or Automated Vehicle Safety Consortium, has a focus on achieving public acceptance of light-duty passenger and cargo vehicles operating at levels 4 and 5 automation. International Alliance for Mobility Testing and Standardization is focused on testing and standardization and certification of mobility systems and services. The Mobility Data Collaborative is involved in the secure and effective sharing of mobility data for safer streets. And finally, the World Manufacturer Code and Product Identification Number Program assigns codes and maintains the database for product identification numbers for off-road recreational vehicles, which is similar to the vehicle identification number for on-road vehicles. Complementing the aerospace and land-based sectors are our multi-sector programs. ExchangeWell provides a means of sharing data in a digital data marketplace through trusted collaboration, making use of digital standards, digital registries, digital data marketplace, and AI access protocols. The Defense Automotive Technology Consortium is an OTA-based consortium supported with a focus to streamlining government acquisition in automotive technology from industry and academia. HRCS, or Health Ready Components and Systems, is focused on the design and development, authentication and registration, and training of integrated vehicle health management technology. IBIS, or Input-Output Buffer Information Specification, is an industry-managed consortium for electronic behavioral specifications of integrated circuit I/O analog characteristics. AMS-AMDC, or Additive Manufacturing Data Consortium, develops a method for pedigreed additive manufactured material property data that's achieved through information sharing, data aggregation and analysis, and authentication and registration. Then finally, Provitas Authentication is a recognized registrar for aerospace quality auditors and training providers, servicing both aerospace and land-based sectors. SAE ITC brings together not only aerospace, land-based, and multi-sector domains, but facilitates the collaboration of representatives from industry, government, and academia. All 3 communities bring viewpoints, expertise, and objectives that fosters innovative cooperation and solutions. We at SAE ITC are focused on the practical application of standards, processes, and collaboration. As such, we address the entire integrated product lifecycle, including the key stakeholders from each phase. As shown on this diagram, our activities span the entire product lifecycles from research to eventual product end of life. Regardless of your role or maturity of your product, our programs provide tangible value to benefit your organization. Seen from a different perspective that highlights our consortia, we cover the integrated product lifecycle of aerospace and land-based offerings that benefit from common groups and services in multi-sector. SAE ITC brings together core services and supplied competencies to facilitate collaboration of organization members with domain relevance in mobility. Our operating model is extensible into any technical area that can benefit from organized collaboration and coordination. We cover more than mobility and include a wide range of engineering disciplines, products, and technologies. Acknowledging the power of data, we have the competencies and services to protect, share, and store volumes of data in the context of a consortium or in a digital data marketplace. We get asked, so how do we start a new consortium? The answer is simple. It is a grassroots effort that begins with you. Together we develop the idea and the industry need, identifying key champions as we do so. As we develop sufficient interest, we begin to formalize the topic, turning it into agreements that describe how the members will work with one another. As this process matures, we agree on the expectations, return on investment, and group agreements, and launch the consortium. Our additive manufacturing and exchange well consortia are our most recent launches. We are now seeking interested parties to move forward in unmanned air systems and advanced air mobility. Should you have an interest in these or other exciting topics, feel free to reach out to us. And now, as we begin to wrap up, I would like to leave you with a few parting thoughts. SAE ITC fosters collaboration among organizational members that are based on needs identified from within the industry in order to form pre-competitive, trusted partnerships that provide a return in business value. The bottom line, SAE ITC has the history and expertise to manage technology consortia. Our focus is on collaborative, trusted networks to improve all phases of the integrated product lifecycle. I would like to thank you for your time and attention. If you wish additional information or wish to discuss your specific interests, please reach out to me at the indicated email address. Have a good day.